Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to apply or use mode function in Excel. A mode shows a frequently occurring value in a range of data. A mode function is used to find the most frequently value in a set of numbers. A mode is a most frequently or repeated value in a set of data. So a mode function is used to find the most repeated or repetitive value in a set of numbers. We have a data, in A column we have data, and in B column we find the mode, and here we enter the formula. Equal sign plus equal sign from the keyboard. You type mode, or you can select here, double click here, and bracket over, and select the range. But number 2 are optional, and we can extend to 255 number. Bracket and hit enter. So 2 is the mode because it is most frequently when 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 times. So this is the mode. So in this way you can use mode function to find more or frequently value or repeated value in a set of numbers. Subscribe button and thanks for watching the video.